If you guess all of these Italian brain rot, you are a 100% certified brain rot. Let's go with the easy part. Which here is Bombardillo Crocodilo? Which here is Tung 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 Sahur? Which here is Tralalero Tralala? Which here is Ballerina Cappuccina? Things are getting harder. Before we proceed to hard level, click subscribe for more videos like this. Which here is Trippy Troppy? Which here is Chimpanzini Bananini? Which here is Berber Patapim? Before we proceed to the last question, comment down below on how many correct answers did you get, and comment your favorite Italian brain rot. Which here is La Vaca Saturno?